Good morning, students. I hope you're all doing good. It's nice to have you all back. Today, we have a reading lesson. For this lesson, you will need your reading booklet, the reading street, and a pencil. Do you remember our selection for this week? Yes. How do you raise a raisin? By the end of this lesson, you will be able to summarize the selection "How do you raise a raisin?" and comprehend the selection and answer the critical thinking questions. First, let's have a quick review on the vocabulary words in the selection. The first word is area. What does area mean? A particular part or place, piece of land or country. Area. Say the word again. Area. Artificial. What do you think artificial means? Made by people or machine, not natural. Artificial is something not natural. Can you think of something artificial in your home? Grapevine. Grapevine is a vine that grapes grow on. Say the word again. Grapevine. Proof. A fact or piece of information that shows that something exists or is true. Proof. Repeat the word. Proof. Our next word is preservative. Have you ever had a look at the ingredients in any food product? Some of them include preservatives. What is a preservative? A chemical used to stop food from decaying. Preservatives are added to food materials so that they can stay fresh for longer. Raise. What does raise mean? Breed or grow. Raise. Repeat the word raise. Raisin. A small, sweet, dried grape. Raisin. Again, raisin. Do you have raisins at home? Now go to page 21 of your reading booklet. Let's answer the following questions. Number 1. Which statement is correct about raisins? A. Raisins are dried grapes. B. Raisins grow in other planets. C. Raisins were discovered by aliens. What do you think the answer is? You're right. The answer is A. Raisins are dried grapes. Number 2. How long does it take until the vines are old enough for the first crop of raisins? A. 3 weeks. B. 3 years. C. 3 days. Can you recall from the selection? Yes, the answer is B. 3 years. Number 3. How would you describe a raisin looks and tastes? A. It is red and tastes bitter. B. It looks wrinkled and dark purple and tastes very sweet. Or C. It looks like a fresh, juicy grape. What do raisins look like? The answer is B. It looks wrinkled and dark purple and tastes very sweet. Number 4. How many pounds of fresh grapes do you need to make 1 pound of raisin? A. 4.5 of fresh grapes. B. 3.5 of fresh grapes. Or C. 5.5 of fresh grapes. The answer is A. 4.5 of fresh grapes. Number 5. Who introduced the Lady D. Coverley grape to California? Was it A. Janet Stevens, B. William Thompson, or C. Charlie McButton? Yes, the answer is B. William Thompson. Let's move on to page 22. Answer the following questions. Question 1. How would you describe a raisin looks and tastes? Do you have raisins at home? Have a look at them, taste them, and try to describe them. What do they look like? If you don't have any raisins, have a look at this picture. They look wrinkled, don't they? You can find them in different colors like purple. You can find them in different colors like purple or even golden, and they taste sweet. Now let's write the answer. It looks wrinkled and dark purple and tastes sweet. Let's move on to number 2. Number 2. How does the poem at the top of each page relate to the information in the text below? If you remember, we have poems at the top of each page, and these poems actually ask a question. The text that follows gives us the answers. Now let's write it. Each poem poses a question that the text below answers. Number 3. Why do you think raisins are packaged in a variety of boxes and bags? People use raisins for different reasons and probably need different amounts. Now let's write it. People use raisins for different reasons. Don't forget to pause the video while you write the answers. Visit the links below for additional information about raisins. Have a look at them. Enjoy watching. Great job! That's it for today. Thank you and have a great day. See you soon.